The greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. First of all, my name is Hussein. My father's name is Mohammed. I am studying in class 7 BU. My presentation topic is effects of actions on our environment. There are two actions, good or bad. The detail of topic will tell my friends. Start the name of Allah, the most merciful and also most powerful. My name is Zoe. My father's name is John Mohammed. Today is our topic. I am studying in class 7 below. Today our topic is good actions. We should save water. Number 2, we should plant trees. Number 3, we should clean our surroundings. Number 4, we should use electric vehicles. Number 5, we should save energy. Number 6, we should not make noise. Number 7, we should recycling material. Number 8, we should helping hand. Number 9, we should keep garbage proper place. Number 10, we should water into plant daily. Explain my friend bad actions. Asif.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif. My father's name is Hyderabad, and I am studying in class 7. My topic is bad effect. Number 1, cutting trees. Number 2, waste water. Number 3, waste rice. Number 4, make noise. Number 5, throw away anywhere. Number 6, emit heavy smoke vehicles. Number 7, unnecessary use electricity. Number 8, not water or plant. Number 9, factory waste chemical. Thank you. Now the conclusion my friend Ali Waris.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Waris and my father name is Mushtaq Ali. I study in class 7th below. My teacher name is Sir Saud. Respected teachers and my all dear students, as my friends shared the topic of good and bad effects of our action on our environment. Now that conclusion, now this was awareness presentation upon the topic. So today we should follow all good actions and reduce bad action as we can. That will make our environment clean and free from pollution. Thank you.